road condition detection system using convolutional neural network. Road condition image classifier is an important part of weather condition processing. In our proposed system, we have used deep transfer learning approach with CNN model such as VGG16 algorithm to perform road condition detection. The modules are dataset collection, pre-processing, transfer learning, and classification. The process includes dataset collection, pre-processing of images, splitting of dataset into 3 parts, validation, training, and testing. The training process is done using VGG16 model, and the testing the image is classified at sunny, rainy, snowy, or flood. These are some of the screenshots. The output image is given with the prediction result with the accuracy level. Thus, it gives an efficient design for the road condition classification.